So we're going to look at screencasting today so that you can go ahead and take your instruction and send it home to the kids, or even for you to just duplicate yourself in the classroom, record it, and be able to present. Screencasting is video capture of your computer screen. If you think Khan Academy, when they're on there and they have the black display and they're writing on the board, that is what screencasting is. Students will be able to see what's on your screen, hear you teaching, and with what you display. There are options where you could have it also record your face. It's not something that I choose to do, but that is an option. So the first step that you're going to need to do is display what you want to teach about on your screen. So I always have that up first, whatever I'm going to do. And it doesn't have to be a Google slide presentation. You could go ahead and find a website that has all the information that you want that's on there, and then talk through what you want students to do with that website, either a reading or maybe there's activities to show them how to do something. I just said that. For step 2, you need to go to ScreenCast-O-MATIC. So if you follow that link that's right there, ScreenCast-O-MATIC, that will take you to their website. And when you get to their website, it will then have a blue button, Start Recording for Free. So if we press that Start Recording for Free button, it will then give you an option to launch the free recorder. If you've never used ScreenCast-O-MATIC before, at this point it will need to download the file. It will be an exe file. Once you click on that, it will pretty quickly update and put that onto your computer, and then you'll get the actual tool. The recorder will appear, and it appears over your screen. So as you're looking at it, it's there, and you can see your screen behind it because that's what you're actually going to be recording. So then you just need to make sure again that you are back to the document that you want to record. So bring back to the document you want to record, and then down at the bottom of your screen, if you need to, you'll see their little favicon is a dotted line box, and then that will bring it back over top of what you're recording. And it will look like this then, so that you'll see your screen, and then it will have the dotted lines all around the outside so that you can make a choice about exactly what on your screen you want to record. So then we get to actual recording. And have no fear. Do not worry about perfection. You're a teacher, not a videographer. You can't let yourself get so hung up on saying a wrong word that you make this take forever. This should be a time-saving tool ultimately in the end, so that you're able to record it and then you have it and can go back to it for future uses. Okay, so once you have it over your screen, like I showed here on this slide, once you have it over your screen, you need to decide exactly how much you want to cover, and so you can use these corners here to resize how big you want your screen. For this recording, what I did was I made sure that all that I was looking at were the slides, and everything else that's on my screen that would be distracting, it didn't include in the recording. Once you are ready, you're going to press record. It's on the bottom underneath your boxed outline. Once you press record, there's a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Wait a second or two after that, and then start speaking. Pause when you need to stop if you're not sure what you want to say next, or if you have made a mistake and you want to go fix it, press the pause button, and then you can either gather your thoughts or go back and find your mistake and cut it out. So, oops, I didn't really mean to do that. You can easily fix that, and all you have to do is down in the bottom, you find, say you made a mistake, you know it was about 20 seconds ago, you might need to find the beginning of that paragraph so that you can have a nice clean break. And so if you press down into the blue line, it will let you then hear what you did. And so you just kind of do it a couple of times until you find, if I stop here, it'll be a nice clean break, and then I can start again and record it. And then in the end, it will just sound like one cohesive piece of work. And when you're finally done, you'll press the done button. And then you need to share it. To share it, after you press done, the what's next box will pop up. And for just starting out, skip over editing. Just go ahead and do the save and upload. And when you press save and upload, it will then give you a recording that you can review. And it will also show you your audio down along the bottom here. And then, whoop, there that went. Then you will go ahead and I'm going to focus on just uploading onto YouTube. You can save it as a video file. So you could just save it onto your laptop. You could make an account and upload it to ScreenCast-O-MATIC, but YouTube is where it will be the easiest for students to access it. So once you tell it to go to YouTube, it's information to the masses. Virtually all students can get to YouTube. They just need to know, hey, my teacher has made an account there. So then you press that publish link. And once you press that publish button, that's going to then start to upload your video, and there will be an uploading bar. The longer the video, the longer it takes. And then you'll be able to take a look at it. I would go to open the upload so you can see what it looks like on your YouTube account. And then you can check out your video, and you'll be a YouTube star. And this was a link that I used when I was making the video. So if I click onto it, then I can go to YouTube. And I can see this recording that I posted earlier today when I was putting this together. And from there, what you want to do is use the share button on YouTube, copy your link. You can also get it from the recorder itself, and then share that either through Canvas, email. You can put it out through Google Classroom, and the students can see the videos.